Chaka Starks. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to show you guys the style that I did because I did not think I was gonna like it, but I love it. It was so quick, so easy. I got this hair from Amazon. I'm trying to tell y'all, Amazon is like the new beauty supply store. Like, it's the plug. So this is what the hair looks like. It's crochet. So it comes with 12 braids and they give you 7 bundles. This is the Amazon store that I got it from. I'm so happy with this hair and I'm so happy with this style. So I am going to be giving away this hair. So if you want to enter the giveaway to get these crochet braids, stay tuned to the end of the video to see how you can enter. It's super simple. Even if you are not the winner of the giveaway, just try this hair anyway. It's affordable. It came so quick. It came next day and it saves you a trip to the beauty supply store. So I'm really happy with this style. I did individuals in the front and crochet in the back. It took me maybe 40 minutes to do this hairstyle, and I feel like it is gonna last for a decent amount of time. I will keep you posted on how long the hair lasts. If you wanna see how I got this style, keep watching and stay tuned to the end of this video to see how you can enter the giveaway to win this hair for free. So let's get into it. I used this black colored gel. It's like more like a jam or edge control just to braid my individual braids in the front and just slick down my parts. I also used some of this jam because it just had a better hold. So this is what I'm doing here, and I'm getting ready to add my braids. This is my braid pattern in the back, kind of just like a sew-in. I just did straight back braids and then my individuals for my parting and in the front. This piece of braiding here, I'm putting the oil on the top, and I'm not even gonna do the knotless, you know, the bootleg crochet knotless that I do. I'm just going to do a regular braid with a knot, but I'm gonna do it underhand so that the knot is underneath. So this, I'm gonna try my best to explain this. So I'm putting this little braid inside with the braid underneath. Flip it over, and then just kind of try to just braid down like a regular knot braid, but with the knot on the bottom. For this step, if you wanted to just crochet in the front, you could totally do that too. Y'all know my edges are more fragile than the rest of my hair, so I just didn't want that heavier braid on this part of my hair. I use that clip just to hold that braid down so that it's not like twisting or tugging, and that really helped to like relieve that pulling. But I'm just braiding, just regular braids down. Now you see me taking some perm rollers. I just dipped it in hot water for these front braids. It ended up blending perfectly. These yellow ones are like the perfect size. So that's what I did there. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and crochet the rest of my hair. Simple dimple, guys. This is a perfect hairstyle if you just need something quick. You don't have time to worry about your hair in the morning, or whenever you get ready. If you're going on vacation, if you're a mommy like me, it's so simple and so stinking cute. After I'm done crocheting, I just add in a couple of pieces of this water wave hair that I had from another style, just because I wanted it to be a little fuller and like fluffier. It also helps to hide some of those parts because my hair is really fine. So my individual braids were a little smaller than the crochet braids. So I just randomly put those in throughout my hair. I just trim kind of like angled, and then I get into doing my edges. And that is the whole style, y'all. It's so simple. Y'all, I am so impressed with this hair and these crochet braids. They are so pretty. The curls are so soft. The hair is the perfect amount of shine, and it's not too heavy. I am so excited for one of you guys to win this hair. If you want to enter the giveaway, it is so simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, comment below, and let me know what you think about this style. Follow me on Instagram and like this picture on my Instagram, and then you'll be entered. I'll be announcing the winner at the end of the week on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.